Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to build a drop-down mega menu in Wix. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, you'll want to open your Wix editor and focus on the relevant menu you wish to transform into a drop-down. When you have your editor open, click on the menu to select it. This will allow you to access the menu management features. Once you've selected your menu, look out for the Manage Menu option that will appear and give that a click to proceed to the next step. Inside the Manage Menu panel, you will find an Add Item button. Click on that, and from the list of options, select Dropdown. You're now creating the structure for your dropdown, but it's empty at the moment. The next thing you need to do is populate this dropdown with items of your choice. Simply drag and drop the relevant items from the Manage Menu panel into your newly created dropdown. This might include important pages or subcategories that will help your visitors navigate your site more efficiently. Now, let's move on to changing the layout of your dropdown to make sure it fits seamlessly with the design of your website. Again, start by selecting the relevant menu within your Wix editor. This is the menu where your dropdown has been added. Once you've clicked on it, look for a layout icon. Click on that icon, and you will then see an option for changing the layout. Here, you have a few layout styles to choose from: Stretch, Fit to Menu, or Hug Content. Choose the one that best suits your design needs. For example, Stretch will make the dropdown expand as wide as your menu, while Hug Content keeps it neat and contained around the items. Lastly, let's make your dropdown visually appealing and in harmony with the rest of your site design. To do this, go ahead and select the relevant menu again. You'll notice there's an option called Design. Tap on it. It allows you to open the inspector menu. Click there to begin customizing your dropdown's design. Here, you can tweak colors, fonts, and other stylistic elements. Take your time to ensure the design reflects the aesthetic of your site, making it both functional and visually pleasing. And that's it. You've successfully built and customized a drop-down menu in Wix. There you have it. So that's basically how you can build a drop-down mega menu in Wix. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.